Getting consistent sales every single day like this is a game changer for anyone's life. If we compare these sales to this time last year, we can see an increase of 146%. It could be higher, but seeing as this account is almost on autopilot with only a couple of new designs added a week, that's pretty good. I'm using the Pretty Merch Chrome extension here to analyze everything, and as well as that, find winning designs to create moving forward. It's a pretty well-rounded tool for any print-on-demand seller. Now, if we could attribute these sales to a few secrets, this is what they would be. I say secrets, but this is a loose term. Some may not consider them to be secrets, but nonetheless, try and stick by them and you should see a huge increase in your business. Keep watching because in this video, I'll be giving away $100 to someone at random, and that could be you. Secret 1. The link that you need to start sharing. This is an epic trick, but stick with me on this one because it can get a little complicated. When designing your product listing, you'll need to input keywords. Some of those keywords should form sentences. For example, if you're selling a dog t-shirt for mums, your searchable keyword could be cute t-shirt for dog mums. Simple. You want to write down what your potential customer would be searching for and take note of those phrases. Make sure to use those phrases in your product title, bullets, keywords, and descriptions, basically everywhere. Then, once uploading your product to either Amazon or Etsy, go to private browsing, open Amazon or Etsy, and put that search term in, and then find your product. This could take lots and lots of scrolling. And to ensure you can be found, use a longer search term. Don't just put in dog t-shirt because the competition will be overpowering. Once finding your product in the listing, right-click the link and copy it. Now you want to share that link with certain people who can buy your product. And if you have a look at the link, you can see it holds all the keyword data in there. So when you get sales to Amazon, it looks like someone has searched for that specific phrase, done all of that scrolling themselves, and clicked your listing. This will make it look like you have a huge conversion rate to Amazon or Etsy, and their algorithms will think you're super popular and they'll want to push you up even further in the ranking, and that in turn will help you get even more sales. I did say this was a complicated one, but it works, and I have an entire video explaining this concept if you want to give it a go. Secret number 2, the most popular price. Of course, always do research into your specific niche to see what other people are charging, but these prices just happen to be the most popular prices across the board. So if you're charging way below or way above, you might want to rethink your strategy. For t-shirts, $24.99, or in the UK, £16.99. For a hoodie, $34.99, and in the UK, $27.99. This information is based on a company selling millions and millions of products. Unfortunately, I can't reveal the source. However, with these prices, you should still be able to make quite a decent profit margin, especially if you're selling in the US, as those are significantly higher prices, especially now as the pound is absolutely crap. If you found this video at all helpful so far, please smash that subscribe button, and I want to quickly tell you I'm going to be doing a giveaway of $100 to one of my subscribers. So please let me know in the comments down below if you've already subscribed or if you've just subscribed, and I'm going to pick someone at random in a few days time in the community tab. Secret number 3, the most popular color to sell. The most popular color that sells is black, so make your designs applicable on a black t-shirt or a black hoodie. This could mean adding a simple white border around your designs so it stands out, or choosing all the colors specifically for black so they pop and look amazing. Here are the numbers. Black t-shirts take 50% of the sales for women's t-shirts and 65% of the sales for men. For hoodies, black takes 60% of the sales. So as you can see, black just works. Very often you'll find yourself spending a lot of time changing up designs so they work on white, grey, maybe red or blue t-shirts, and it's just a waste of time. Based on these numbers, it makes sense just to focus your attention and solely design for black and actually create more designs rather than tweak those designs so that they're applicable for every color. Secret number 4, you're just one design away. This is less of a secret and more just of a really nice and really important idea, and a super motivational one at that. This applies to most things. You are always just one blank away from seeing success. That could be one YouTube video away from getting a viral video, or one job promotion away from being financially comfortable. And in this case, you're just one product design away before getting some crazy sale results. The thing is, no one really knows, and the trick to this is just to keep going. So don't give up. You may not have seen any success so far, or maybe you've seen a little bit of success. Just know you are just one design away from changing your life. If you liked the video and you want to enter the $100 giveaway, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and leave a comment down below. Of these 4 ideas, my favorite and the one that I think could help you the most is secret number 1. Now, it's a bit of a confusing one and there's a lot more that goes into it, so definitely check this video out next so you can see exactly how you can take full advantage of that method.